This is the first worked example for selection statements in Java. Here are the subgoals for selection statements. Subgoal 1. Diagram which statements go together. Subgoal 2. For the if statement, determine whether the expression is true or false. Subgoal 3. If the expression evaluates to true, then follow the true branch. If the expression evaluates to false, then follow the else branch, or do nothing if there is no else branch. Let's look at the worked example. Here we have some declarations of variables. Followed by this, we have the instructions to evaluate the statements and determine the value of all the variables used. The statements: if kappa is greater than omega, then rho is assigned the value of kappa plus 2. Subgoal 1 is to diagram which statements go together. In Java, if there are no open or closed curly braces, then by default, all if and else branches only contain a single statement. So when diagramming this, the one statement assigning a value to rho is the only statement under the if. For subgoal 2, we determine whether the Boolean expression is true or false. So we're going to evaluate if kappa is greater than omega. Kappa has a value of 3 and omega has a value of 2.5. Therefore, kappa is greater than omega, so we would say it's true. For subgoal 3, because the Boolean expression evaluates to true, we will follow the true branch. Looking at our diagram, the true branch contains the assignment to rho. So rho is assigned the value of kappa plus 2. Kappa has the value of 3.0. 3.0 plus 2 promotes the 2 to be a double, and so we end up with the value 5.0. So the answer is that rho becomes 5.0. That is the end of this worked example.